Choosing the wrong blender wastes money. Today we're uncovering the best immersion blender you can actually trust in 2026. There are dozens of immersion blenders out there, but only a few are actually worth your hard-earned money. Stick around, because this ranking could save you from buying the wrong blender for your kitchen. Taking the top spot is the Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender, and it earns that ranking fast. Its brushed stainless steel body and ergonomic control grip feel genuinely premium the moment you pick it up. It includes a 42-ounce jug, a whisk attachment, and a mini chopping bowl, giving you real versatility in one box. With its trigger-operated control grip, the Breville blends soup directly in the pot with real stability and control. In a real kitchen, this blender shines during weekday dinner prep, when speed and control both matter. Home cooks love it for effortless purees, silky sauces, and smooth baby food without ever dirtying a blender jar. The anti-suction bell-shaped base is a genuine standout, cutting mess and giving you noticeably smoother blending results. Its only real downside is the higher price tag, which may feel steep for occasional or first-time blender buyers. This blender is best suited for serious home cooks who want restaurant-quality texture without buying a full-size blender. Overall, the Breville BSB 510XL earns the #1 spot through power, build quality, and genuinely useful accessories. At number 2 is the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle, a favorite among serious home chefs. Its stainless steel blade and matte black and steel body feel rugged, professional, and built to last for years. The bundle includes a whisk attachment and a protective storage case, keeping everything organized and ready to grab. With a powerful 625-watt motor, the Vitamix tears through frozen fruit and ice with noticeably less effort. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need a smoothie blended fast, directly in your favorite cup. Home cooks appreciate the 5 variable speeds, giving precise control from gentle folding to aggressive high-speed blending. Its variable speed trigger gives you fine control other blenders in this price range simply cannot match. One trade-off is the noticeably heavier body, which can feel tiring during longer blending sessions. This blender is ideal for smoothie lovers and anyone who wants near-commercial blending power at home. Overall, the Vitamix bundle secures second place with serious motor power and genuinely precise speed control. Ranking third is the Cuisinart CSB B175 Smart Stick 2-speed hand blender, a reliable everyday favorite. Its slim white body and lightweight design make it easy to hold, store, and maneuver around the kitchen. It comes with an 8.8-inch stainless steel shaft, a 24-ounce mixing cup, a chopper, and a whisk attachment. Its simple 2-speed slide control makes switching from a gentle blend to full power effortlessly quick. It's a great fit for quick weeknight tasks like blending sauces, dressings, or a fast batch of pancake batter. Beginners appreciate how approachable this blender feels, with simple controls and a genuinely gentle learning curve. Its main limitation is the lighter 300-watt motor, which can struggle slightly with tougher, denser ingredients. This blender suits beginners, students, or anyone who wants a simple, affordable, reliable everyday kitchen tool. Overall, the Cuisinart CSB 175 lands solidly at third place thanks to its simplicity, value. Coming in at number 4 is the KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender with accessories, prized for total freedom. Its porcelain white finish and rounded cordless design feel modern, clean, and genuinely pleasant to hold. It includes a rechargeable battery, a blending pitcher, and interchangeable attachments. They offer real everyday versatility. Running cord-free for up to 30 minutes, it blends smoothies anywhere, without hunting for an outlet. It's ideal for outdoor cooking setups, small apartments, or any kitchen where outlets are simply hard to reach. Users love the freedom of movement, letting them blend comfortably while standing away from the countertop. Its swappable battery system means you're never stuck waiting around for a full recharge cycle. Its main downside is limited runtime per charge, meaning heavy daily users may need a spare battery. This blender is best for people who value mobility, outdoor cooking, or kitchens with limited outlet access. Overall, the KitchenAid Go Cordless earns 4th place through genuine freedom of movement and everyday convenience. Rounding out our top 5 is the Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 Immersion Blender and Food Processor, a true multitasker. Its ergonomic handle and stainless steel active blade housing give it a sturdy, professional, and confident feel. It comes with a beaker, a whisk, a masher, and a 2-cup chopper, covering nearly every kitchen task. Its smart speed trigger technology adapts power instantly, blending faster and finer with noticeably less splashing. It's perfect for meal prep days when you need to chop, blend, and whisk without switching appliances constantly. Families love how one single tool replaces a food processor, whisk, and blender during a hectic weeknight dinner. The active blade technology genuinely stands out, cutting blending time while producing a noticeably smoother, finer texture. Its one drawback is the bulkier attachment set, which takes up more storage space than simpler models. This blender is best for larger households that want one powerful, all-in-one tool for everyday meal prep. Overall, the Braun MultiQuick 7 rounds out our top 5 with genuine versatility and strong all-around performance. 5 excellent blenders, 5 very different strengths, from raw power to true cordless freedom and everyday simplicity. If you want the best all-around performer, go Breville. Want raw power? Choose Vitamix. Need freedom? Choose KitchenAid. Whichever you choose, you're getting real quality. Thanks for watching. Now go blend with total confidence.